My name is Ankita Kochar and I am your career designer, and today we are at Pearl Academy. Today we are here to see their portfolio. They're fourth year students wherein they showcase their work and as well as we get to see their fashion show. Come, I'm so excited. Look at this. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Gauri.
Hi Gauri. Can you tell us about your course and what project you have done?
Sure. I'm in fashion media and communication. I'm doing my fourth year. And as my project, I have used tarot cards as a creative medium to showcase hands can use human language to engage with the Gen Z audience. For example, one of the example is this one. I have used Nike and the theme is temptation. So the tagline says when you are attached to your old kicks, but Nike's latest made you fall in love all over again. So basically it talks about the drip.
What is your name?
I'm Niharika.
Hi Niharika. And you?
I'm Ramya.
Hi Ramya. Okay, which year you are in?
I'm in second year.
Second year. And you?
Same second year.
Same. Can you tell us about Pearl Academy as a whole?
Yeah, I think Pearl Academy is a place where we're so full of resources over here. We have a lot of opportunities. We have the opportunity of presenting during the Lakme Fashion Week as well. Then we have portfolio as well. So there's a lot of representation for our college, and I really like that. And I really also like the amount of resources that we have, be it textiles, be it product design. We have a lot of resources.
And for you, can you tell us what was the different thing you felt from school to here?
I think school was very kind of restrictive, but when I came here, it opened so many opportunities for me. And even the relationship between us and faculties and our teachers, it's so heartwarming and it's amazing to, spend time with them. It's really amazing. And
So last question, can you tell us about one name about your favorite teacher or mentor?
I feel like all of our mentors are very nice and they're very.
One name. One word question.
I'd have to think about that. You can answer that. if you want to.
I honestly like all of them, but I really like Seema ma'am. She was our history teacher, and she was amazing. And she has been mentoring us. Even if I go to her now, she speaks to us so nicely, and she's always, giving you advice and everything. I
Yeah,
really
she
love
has
her.
great stories. She's great.
And one stereotype you feel that you had thought that design school will be like this, but it wasn't like that.
I feel like all the stereotypes were right about it. We
Like,
have
there
to
is
spend
no
all of our
word.
time into the work.
Yeah, and also that people say that there is very less work and you don't have to. But no,
It's not true. Trust me, even I'm a designer, it's not true at
Yeah.
all.
yes.
Great meeting you guys. Hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Anya and
Hi,
I'm in
Anya.
fashion communication.
Come, let's see your project.
Of course. So this is a game called Moxie and the game is a
Currently, the only Moxie I've heard about is the hair shampoo.
hair shampoo and
Yeah.
this is actually from a Hollywood movie inspired. It's a movie called Moxie which has been inspired what we're doing. So it's a Jenga inspired game. Each block has a question written on it and the questions are designed in a way to break taboos, start really candid conversations between friends and society about candid girl talk and really what it means to be a girl and our experiences, and so many girls have come and left their experiences on the board.
I know, I love this concept because these are the conversation. If you talk to me also, most of the things I am not comfortable talking to my
Exactly.
own girlfriends or my
Exactly.
sisters. Like
way to do it. Yeah.
It's a fun way. It's kind of educating as well. There's a lot of things we don't talk about,
Yeah.
but we need to.
And it's not in your face education like a textbook. It's like a fun way of integrating it. And we also did some supporting stickers and tabloids to kind of help everything.
Brilliant idea. I'm
Thank
really
you so
impressed.
much. Thank
All
you.
the best.
Thank you.
So I mean, this student is quite blessed. He knows his culture very well, and I like this individual who have great cultural orientation. I mean, it's a great project to look at how Indian village can be seen in a modern runway. So what this student has done practically, like he started studying about his culture, his crafts, and he has taken ahead into the crafts what he has learned from his culture. And the best part of this project is using avant-garde materials like silicone, and treating it to our old culture. So charpai weaving is, we all know, घर में खाट में charpai वगैरह, we have seen it. So he has taken charpai weave as a craft, and he has created fabulous 3D material out of it. So going forward, he also used frame weaving, he also used fringes, laser cutting. So I mean, these kind of edge cutting technology he has incorporated with old
So,
crafts.
is this done in Pearl Academy?
Yes, everything is done in Pearl Academy.
What is the name?
Isha Chandna.
Hi Isha. I can see Waves Award. Can you tell us about this?
So, this is the Waves Award. This is held by the Ministry of Communication and Government. So, I took my graduation project over there. The name of the project was Toxic Effect of Substance Abuse on Human Body.
I think you truly deserve this. Also, can you tell us which department you are of?
I am from Communication Design. So, this is basically a VR project. If you wear the headset, you will be able to see the lungs of drug and different stages of drug, like moderate, mild, severe, very severe, and then there will be an HUD, heads up display, which will tell about each level. And after that, you will enter into a room where you can grab the lungs and you can see it by your own eyes, like what damage it has been done by taking so much of smoke.
So that trophy is the extension of this project.
Yeah.
I think this is so cool. The coming generation really needs to, be updated that vape is really harmful. I can see your mentor as well.
Yeah,
Can we
yeah.
have you, sir, please?
So basically, he helped me in the entire process.
Can you tell us about the project?
Yeah. So basically, this particular project, she came out with one idea like how this particular substance is affecting the people. So and she has an idea like how to do it in UI, and it means mainly to make it as an user interaction and everything. And we approached through one software named as an Unreal. So in this particular Unreal, what you can make it as a gamification. So you can get into there and you can interact with the lungs. Just by seeing the videos and everything, people are not going to influence that much. But when you can hold your affected lungs in your hand and you can see how much it is getting damaged, so that will give more attention to the people and they will understand really how much trouble and how much damage it is causing. So for that reason, we got into this particular. Thank you.
I think at Pearl Academy, one thing I'm really liking is that mentors and students, they're equally passionate about the project. Like I see students talking about it and equally the mentors are excited to talk about the projects.